What's up, guys? So Thanksgiving is in a few days, so I'm going to show you the perfect dish to make on your smoker for Thanksgiving. First, chop your butternut squash in half and scoop out all the seeds and stringy parts. Give the inside a light sprinkle of salt. Now grab your boneless pork chops and season them generously with the brown sugar seasoning. I'll have that recipe linked down in the description. Make sure they're coated evenly. Fire up your smoker to 225 degrees. I'm using hickory pellets. Place your pork chops straight on the grate and put your butternut squash facing down. Let everything smoke for 1 hour. While that's smoking, go ahead and chop up 1 apple. I'm using a Granny Smith. Add in about half of a small chopped yellow onion. Then toss in a handful of chopped pecans. Make sure everything is diced nice and small. Over medium-low heat, add a teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Stir in your apple mixture and let it cook until the apples turn tender and the butter and honey form a syrup. After 1 hour, flip your squash so the cut side is facing up and scoop your apple mixture inside each half. These are going back on the smoker for 1 more hour. As they cook, the butter, honey, and cinnamon mix will soak deep into the squash and bring out every fall flavor.
A few moments later.
After 2 hours total, everything should be ready. Just make sure your pork chops reach at least 155 degrees internal temperature before pulling them off. To finish, spoon the leftover apple mixture right on top of the pork chops. And that's it, a perfect fall smoked dish for Thanksgiving. Hope you all have a great holiday. Enjoy!